try and connect a little bit more to your emotions and what you were feeling. Start from crossing the border.
Crossing the Mexican border was really exciting for me. I'm in Mexico! With all that had just happened over the days following New Year's Eve was very exciting. It was very, very exciting. I was just ecstatic and nothing could take my mood down. It was a bit overwhelming to get into Tijuana. All of a sudden, the noise, the smells, the colors, it was a lot of flashes and activity. And the moment you pass the border, they drive completely differently. For most part, it's like unlike anything I've seen with my own eyes before. And I've been more into the more quiet moments, enjoying the more quiet moments since 2 years now. And so, yeah, Tijuana was a lot. It was really intense. So we passed Tijuana and we're looking for a spot to camp. After getting into the countryside sometime before we reached Ensenada, we wanted to go and camp next to a waterfall. The gate was closed. We went off road, and I was a bit worried because we were in Mexico and I don't know Mexico, but also I especially didn't know it last night because we had no time to really talk to hardly anyone. So we ended up looking for a motel because we suspected, and we were right, that the motel would not accept pets. And even though Zil is a service dog, we ended up finding one of these motels that allowed us to enter. For each room there was a parking garage that closes. This is the entrance and the exit, and once you close the door you get onto the staircase inside your garage that leads to your room.
Oh my gosh.
It was quite funny, the way it works, and the room appeared at first very nice to me. You can exercise, Glen. And then I realized that it was actually for 4 hours encounter. You could rent the room for 4 hours for 700 pesos, which is about $35, and it was the cheapest we had found up to that point. It was our first shower, really, for a week.
You look so disgusted saying that.
Well, yeah.
You didn't realize it, huh?
No, it was difficult. I realized it was long. I didn't realize it was that long. So this morning was fruitful. We woke up and packed up fairly quickly and sneaked Zil out of the room as we left. We got an internet service. We got a SIM card. But I feel really good that we have internet. Like, this is something I think is important. So I could connect with family, but also, and essentially, we could actually have maps accessed on the road. And we took care of the service of the car. We got the car serviced, which was needed. So with internet on our phone, we're able to arrive here before sunset. So we could set up the tent, watch sunset, and eat while looking at the view, which is magnificent again. So it's been a great day. It's been a really positive, fruitful day, and I feel good. I feel good, and I feel more quiet in my mind. My inner world is more tempered and smooth. I'm less in my head and more into the moment, which is so appreciable. Like, I enjoy this so much. So it was a great day. entering Mexico was a great day.